Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to sync contacts in Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to sync contacts in Picsart, first open up a Picsart app on your phone, and after opening a Picsart app guys, on this interface you'll land over here, which is the home interface of Picsart. And over here at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the person or a profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and you land over here. Again, at the top right corner of the screen on this interface you can see the three dotted icon available for us. Tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the settings button over here at the bottom side of the screen guys. You can see just above the logout button there is the settings. Tap on settings and you land over here where you can see the contact synced option available for us. Tap on the contacts synced button over here, and there is a check mark available for us, or the box available for us at the right side of the sync contacts. Now in order to sync your contacts in Picsart, simply tap on that and tap on the OK button over here, and after that you'll start to sync contacts in Picsart. And with that being said guys, this is how to sync contacts in Picsart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.